Rick Perry, speaking of people who don't know any big words, has been indicted in Texas.
Whoa!
In connection with the investigation into the effort to force the Travis County District Attorney, that's Rosemary Lehmberg, to resign. The center of the issue is a complaint. This is reading from Patrick Tolbert's article at KXAN. Center of the issue, a complaint about intimidation stemming from Perry's threat to veto nearly $4 million in state funding to the Public Integrity Unit run by her office. The threat came after she pleaded guilty to drunk driving, served a 45-day sentence. Perry called on her to step down, but she refused to resign her position. He then vetoed the funding for that unit. And so he's been indicted in connection with that investigation to force her to resign by using that.
Interesting.
Oh. So I have not heard of that case before, but he must be guilty of something.
Later today.
A grand jury was called to determine whether or not Perry broke the law when he threatened to veto the funding. As a result, they issued indictments on 2 felony charges: abuse of official capacity and coercion of a public servant.
Wow.
It doesn't sound like the worst case ever. It sounds like merely using the threat of a veto, but to get a to deliver the political outcome that you want. But a grand jury has indicted a sitting governor. That seems unlikely unless the evidence was
I
at least
thought you were
strong.
going to say he was indicted for being criminally masculine.
There's something he's not likely to get indicted for. Anyway, no, I thought you were going to say it was strong-arm coercion. So fascinating. Obviously, we'll follow it as it continues down the legal path.
Jared Jackson bringing that to our attention.
All right, we appreciate that. Breaking news. Rick Perry indicted, sitting governor of Texas. Sad day for him. Good day for the rest of us.